This video is gonna be reaction and discussion of that time I got reincarnated as a slime. Season 2, Part 2, Episode 11. The reaction is not going to commence. Ah, Veldora. So he didn't summon him. He can come to you without summoning him. Right. Oh? Oh, okay. Yeah? Yeah, that sentence, Rimuro. Okay. What? Wait, what? Wait. What? Okay. She's under the control of Demon Dominate. Undo spell. Oh, there we go. Release. Is this your new subordinate, Fox? Oh, look at it. It's so cute. Oh. Oh. Right. Oh, there we go. In the shadows. Viola and... Yep. Oh. Yeah. Yep. Yep, this was pathetic. Ooh. Oh? Oh, yeah, I remember that. Right. Ah, yeah, yeah. Wow. Huh? Yep, cool. Hadouken? Yep, yep. Wow, I love this, I love this. Oh my goodness. Yeah, Shio, this crushing Clement by herself. So, I am confused though. How is he able to control Milim? Yep. Yep. Don't tell me the Master Chef skill. Does it? Is it the Master Chef skill? No way. Oh. Soul Eater. Oh. 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 A spiritual sword. Okay. Alright. So pathetic. Yeah. I'm unimpressed as well. Oh. Finish him off. Finish him off, Rimuro. Okay. I hope you're at least worth something. Okay. Oh, really? Secretary. Yeah. Swash and done. Okay. Wow, he really did underestimate him if he didn't go all out from the start. Ooh. Yep. What are Miriam and Veldora doing? I'm curious about them. Okay. And done. Wow. Veldora is continuing. Wow. Wow, Veldora. Wow, Veldora. Wow. Thank you for sharing. Ara. Huh? What? Wait. Miriam. Did she finish there? This was all a joke. Frey actually made a joke. Yep. Yep. They actually trolled everyone. He gave you. No? Apparently. Why did you play with this though? I don't get it. Oh! I know who. Maybe. Why? It is actually him. Yes. Yep, Frey also is in it. Ara! I'm sorry, Clement. I feel sad. Yep. And there we go. Yeah, the animation, yep. A sad and pathetic end for such a character. I am shocked that Milim was actually playing around. Yep, she actually was in on it. Ow. Wow. The gloves. She's the child of what? Of Veldora's elder brother or something. This was all a joke. Yeah. Ha! Sure you did. From the start. Wow. Yeah, she didn't tell you. Right. Yep. Huh. Right. Yeah. Yeah. This was such a joke. Wow, he's crying. Right. Right. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Yep. Wow, there we go. Okay. Well, that was convenient and easy. Wow, she can't whistle. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, yeah. Oh. Interesting, so you were part of their troop. Well then, wasn't this an interesting episode? Oh. Oh. Interesting. Wow. Okay. Wow. So this guy was... Wow. Yep. This is sad. Oh. Kinda sad. Confirmed. Converting soul energy. What? Initiating rebuilding. What? What? Also, great sage. What in the world? Yeah. Oh. Wow. Right. Okay. Well, is he gonna one-shot him? Are we getting something else in the next episode? Right. Wow. Sad. Still feels sad. Yep. Not gonna one-shot him? Okay. This whole thing was sad. It really was sad. It was pathetic, and Tribur even got a new subordinate in it. This was such a joke. I love that this everything was a joke. Everything was a joke. This description, the discussion. This discussion is a joke. This anime is a joke. Everything is a joke. I'm not gonna pretend to try to make any discussion for this episode. I'm not. It's not gonna matter. I feel like nothing mattered. I really feel like nothing mattered. Like nothing at all mattered. I feel like it doesn't even matter remotely. And I'm not complaining. I hope you're understanding this. I'm not complaining by anything that just happened. I just don't want to talk about this episode. I just don't really want to talk about it. That's it, kind of. Yeah, I guess, yeah. I'm gonna... I'm not even joke. Just a joke. Everything's a joke. I'll talk for a minute, I guess, about... I think, obviously, enough for proving that that guy who is also a reincarnation and wants to control this whole world is the biggest threat, and apparently he's the big bad villain of everything. Apparently, it's not Leon, it's not anyone else, it's him. Which, wow, yeah, wow, good work, anime. Just that time got reincarnated, Swime was able to show me 3 different villains. And obviously enough, I can't believe that that guy is the final villain. I really don't know how things are going on. And also, probably he's not even the final villain. We might get even more in the future. And also, he's a guy who's able to revive a demon lord, so I don't know. I just don't know. I really don't know. Yeah, honestly, I don't really have much to say. The episode was cool. The animation was cool. The review was a joke. And, everything is a joke. Life is a joke. And this ending and discussion is a joke. So there's a video that you can subscribe to my channel there. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I'm excited for the next one.